Hello, you're welcome to Regal Achievers Education Unlimited, presenting Real Tutors. I'll be taking you through a topic, calculation on Hooke's law. We have a question here. A spring is stretched. Its initial length is 30 centimeters and its new length is 35 centimeters. Calculate the extension. Very simple. Since we know that the final length is 35 centimeters and initial length happen to be 30 centimeters, so the extension can be calculated. It will be final length minus initial length. What is the final length in this case? Is 35 centimeters and initial length happens to be 30 centimeters. To subtract this, that will be what? 35 minus 30, that will be 5 centimeters. That is the answer. I'll be giving you an exercise. Please submit your answer at the comment box. The question is, a spring is stretched. Its initial length is 20 meters and its new length is 25 meters. Calculate the extension. Thank you.